You remember last time I was receiving the policy violation emails?
Yes.
And I'm still receiving few emails, even though I have deleted many listings from my store. But somehow I'm still receiving the emails. It says intellectual property, knife and blade, and single plastic use product. But I hope it's gonna stop soon because I have deleted about more than 1,500 products from my store. You remember last time I was receiving the policy violation emails?
Yes.
And I'm still receiving few emails, even though I have deleted many listings from my store. But somehow I'm still receiving the emails. It says intellectual property, knife and blade, and single plastic use product. But I hope it's gonna stop soon because I have deleted about more than 1,500 products from my store.
Delete a large number of items at once, it can trigger more policy violations, even on just systematically kind of go through, cut out anything with knives, all that stuff, which I think you've done, right? And then just kind of let it settle. And then just going forward, you should look into maybe doing, have you heard of the ASIN method?
No, if you tell me about it, please.
So, I mean, I think Theo actually created it, but
So pretty much the ASIN method, I had found it randomly one day. It's literally, it was already on ecomsniper. It's already a built-in feature. And you go on Amazon and you can post in specific categories of whatever you want. So for example, go on Amazon right now and type in best-selling women's items, right? At the top left corner, after the page loads, you'll see a yellow button with a setting cogwheel that says collect ASINs. And like I said, you click the setting wheel, make sure that you have zero protection, required keywords, so it uses your blacklist. And like I said, so now you scan through and you're collecting categories that you want. And those items transfer directly to the bulk lister. So it'll collect from each page of, like I said, I could do best-selling woman's item, best-selling summer items, best-selling camping items, best-selling hiking items. I don't know. I could type in whatever and the list is endless.
you're basically getting complete control over what exactly you're listing. The bulk.
Are you in the Discord? I'll post the video just so you can watch it after. But
I should join the Discord, and so Theo can send you the video. And Chris only does this method now because you get complete control over what you're listing, and that's kind of what you want, so that you're avoiding accidentally listing the same restricted items again, right? And since using ASIN, I remember him talking about how his policy violations dropped by like 90% after that compared to the.
I just posted the UK Discord in the chat. Anybody that's not in it, join it. It's a big group. Everybody's talking about the same stuff. And when you're in the group, message group and just let him know, like, I have, this is my email and I have, I'm a member of eComSniper, whatever. And then, so I'll post the video in the general chat. Like I said, I'll literally put, if let's say, posting a bunch of items, I'll put, 10,000 items in my bulk lister at once and post everything in that, whichever categories I feel like posting. Like one of my stores I did, I sell as like a coach and I only sell sporting goods, gym equipment and hiking gear and outdoor summer supplies and pretty much anything that gets you moving, right? But like I said, I sell as a coach, so it's a niche and eBay sees that. And now I have the most dominating items in those categories. So they love me. Like you'll see sellers with not that many items, but they're all similar items, and they're doing crazy numbers. So, like I said, eBay's a very niche-driven website. So it's like I post exactly in those categories that I want. So it's like even if like I don't have, obviously we're all selling general stuff, you can still see what is selling on your store. So you sell those similar items and you avoid a universal key kind of thing, like a master key, right? And it was selling like crazy. So I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna sell every single master key there is. And sure enough, every single one started selling.